Hello, today you're looking at a JWI 15 cubic foot air hover hydraulic filter press brought to you by Lanco. It's been fully refurbished, tested and checked out at our facility. Great working condition. We'll get that running in a second here. Overall dimensions is 160 inches length, 45 inches width, 54 inches high. Total weight is 4,360 pounds. As you can see, we did install new plumbing PVC over here. Comes with 31 gasketed 800 millimeter plates. Cloths and gasketing can be installed for an additional price upon purchase. I'll show you guys the inside really quick. Max-Filtration is 100 PSI. Max Hydraulic is 3,200. Show you guys the nameplate. I'll go ahead and get that going for you right now. If you're interested in this unit, feel free to give us a call at the office. Phone number here is 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.